Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In honor of it being October, I'm going to be reviewing ColourPop's 3 new Hocus Pocus lip creams. These retail for $9 each and they come in the shades Tonight We Fly, Hello Boys, and Calming Circle. I'm a huge Hocus Pocus fan. I watch it every single October, multiple times throughout the month. So whenever I seen they dropped these, I said I had to cop all 3 of them. I didn't get the eyeshadow palettes or anything else in the line because when it comes to ColourPop, I really just love the formula of all their lip products. Before I get into the packaging, I'm gonna get into what they describe as a lip cream for ColourPop. It says, our lip cream hybrid formula combines the color of a lipstick with the care of a lip balm for the softest, creamiest matte color. Okay, it's supposed to be soft and creamy and matte. This is how the packaging looks for all 3 of the Sanderson sisters. I will be trying these on my lips and I will also be swatching these on my wrist so you can compare how they look on you versus like as a swatch. Whenever I do my reviews, I like to start off with the lightest color first, just in case some of these stain my lips. So I'm going to be starting off with Calming Circle. So this is the tube that it comes in. And on the website, they labeled this one as a nude lipstick. Right now, I don't have anything on my lips, but a little bit of Vaseline as usually because I don't like to start off with dry, cracked, crusty lips. And this is how the applicator looks. Okay, it's definitely very creamy and moisturizing. As y'all know, if you watched any of my previous reviews, I kind of stay away from very light shaded lipstick tones because I don't know how they look on my skin tone. But this one is actually really pretty. So I'm not going to pair with lip liner. I think it would look a lot better if I did. But for the sake of me just giving y'all a review just on their lip creams, this is how it looks without any lip liner at all. It doesn't appear to be shiny. It feels very, very creamy and moisturizing. Definitely got that description right for this formula. Now for a wrist swatch. My lip in comparison to this swatch, it looks like it's a buildable formula. So let me put on some more and see if I can build up the color like on my wrist. It's not sticky at all. It's very, very creamy. And the color did intensify a little bit. So as always, I do remove these for you guys on camera with a makeup wipe so you guys can see if it stains or not, or if it's easy to remove. Yep. It comes right off. So the next color I'll be trying on for you guys is Tonight We Fly. This is how the little packaging looks for it. And that's her little character on the tube it's in. So this is supposed to be the same formula as the first one I tried on, but this one is in a black violet shade. Let me put on a little bit more Vaseline because my lips feel so dry after using that makeup wipe. So this is how it looks on the lips. Super fun color. It's definitely a shade of violet that I could get behind for the fall. And this is how it looks up close. I'm really in love with this formula. Now for a swatch. So this is how the swatch appears next to my lips. This is only one layer of the formula on my lips. I'm sure just like the last one, it is buildable just to see how 2 layers looks because this is more on the sheer side in my opinion. I just wiped it off with my finger. I didn't even have to use a makeup wipe, so I'd say this is definitely not transfer proof. And that reminds me of licorice. Such a pretty, fun color. Let's see if this one's stained. No staining at all. So the last one I'm gonna try on is Hello Boys. This one is listed as just black on the website. I'm most excited for this one because we all know it's hard to come across a really nice black shade lip color. That's how her little character looks on it. Adorable. Pretty dang sheer, but still really creamy. So this is just one layer of this product on my lips, how it looks. Now for a swatch. Now I'm gonna do a second layer on my lips just so that we can get some full coverage going on here, because I know y'all probably wanna see it in a full coverage black like I do. This is an amazing shade for Halloween, you guys. And the creaminess of this formula, like, you would not be uncomfortable wearing this all day. Now, as for eating and drinking, you'd probably be upset with your lip cream transferring on so many things. But aside from that, it is such a nice formula and a vibrant shade once you do 2 layers, of course. So that is all that I got for this review. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any other video suggestions that y'all may have. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.